Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to send Dogecoin from Bitmart to Tangem Wallet in 2025. If you're holding Dogecoin on Bitmart and want to move it to your secure Tangem hardware wallet, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to keep your assets safe. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have your Bitmart account set up and verified, and that your Tangem wallet is properly initialized with Dogecoin support. Hardware wallets like Tangem add an extra layer of security, so it's a smart move for long-term storage. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account. Head over to the website or app, enter your credentials, and go to the Wallets section. Find your Dogecoin balance. That's where the magic begins. Next, open your Tangem Wallet app on your device. Select Dogecoin from the list of supported cryptocurrencies. Now, generate or view your Dogecoin receiving address. It's usually a long string of letters and numbers. Copy this carefully, as it's crucial for the transfer. Back on Bitmart, navigate to the withdrawal page for Dogecoin. Paste the address you just copied from your Tangem wallet. Double-check for any typos, because one mistake could send your coins to the wrong place, and that's not something you want. Enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to send. Remember, Bitmart might have a minimum withdrawal fee, so check that first to avoid surprises. Once everything looks good, hit the Withdraw or Confirm button. You'll probably need to go through a two-factor authentication step for security. After you confirm, sit tight. The transaction might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Keep an eye on your Tangem wallet to see when the Dogecoin arrives. And there you have it. Your Dogecoin is now safely in your Tangem wallet. Always prioritize security in crypto. Use strong passwords and enable all available protections. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.